If you want your desktop wallpaper to change automatically on Windows 11 or Windows 10, here's the fastest way to set it up in less than a minute. This works using Windows' built-in Wallpaper Slideshow feature, so you don't need any extra software. First, put all the wallpapers you want to use into one folder. You can create a new folder anywhere on your PC and move your favorite images into it. Now, right-click on your desktop and click Personalize. In Windows 11, go to Background. In Windows 10, you'll also go to Background from the Personalization settings. Under the Background option, change it from Picture to Slideshow. Once you select Slideshow, click Browse and choose the folder that contains your wallpapers. Now choose how often you want the wallpaper to change. You can set it to change every minute, every 10 minutes, every 30 minutes, or longer, depending on what you prefer. You can also turn on Shuffle if you want the wallpapers to appear in random order instead of the same sequence every time. If your images don't fit properly on screen, use the Choose a Fit option and try Fill, Fit, or Stretch until it looks right. That's it! Your Windows desktop wallpaper will now change automatically. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Windows tips and tutorials.